Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Algabot, and this is where we take apart automated trading strategies and study how they think, one piece of logic at a time. Today we're exploring an expert advisor for MetaTrader 5 called the Impulse System Color Shift. It's built around two classic tools working together, a trend moving average and the MACD momentum histogram, and it draws its inspiration from Dr. Alexander Elder's impulse system. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it reads the market when it decides to act and how it manages every position it opens. Let's get started. So what does this expert advisor actually do? At its core, the Impulse System Color Shift is a trend plus momentum confluence strategy. Instead of relying on a single signal, it demands that two independent readings of the market agree before it takes a position. That idea comes straight from Dr. Alexander Elder's impulse system, and this expert advisor adapts it into a fully automated tool for MetaTrader 5. The first reading is direction, measured by an exponential moving average. Is the trend leaning up or down from one closed bar to the next? The second reading is acceleration, measured by the MACD histogram. Is momentum building or fading? The strategy assigns each bar a color based on how these two answers combine. Green means both point up, red means both point down, and blue means they disagree and the strategy stays out. The action comes at the color shift, the first bar that flips into a new color. That's when direction and momentum have just synchronized, and the strategy treats it as the starting point of a fresh move. It works as a stop-and-reverse system, meaning it is always leaning with the prevailing impulse, flipping its position whenever the market flips its color. Every trade carries an ATR-based stop-loss and a take-profit set as a reward-to-risk multiple, so the risk management scales with volatility rather than being fixed. A spread filter helps avoid entries when trading costs are unusually high. This kind of approach is generally suited to liquid instruments, major currency pairs, metals, or indices, on the 15-minute through 1-hour time frames, where trend legs are long enough for a dual filter to be meaningful. As always, this is educational information only, not financial advice, and trading carries a real risk of loss. Let's break down the mechanics step by step. This expert advisor works on closed bars only, checking its conditions once each time a new bar completes on your chosen time frame. That keeps its decisions stable and avoids reacting to every flickering tick. The heart of the strategy is a pair of votes. The first vote is direction, and it comes from an exponential moving average with a default period of 13. If that average is higher than it was on the previous closed bar, the trend vote is up. If it's lower, the trend vote is down. The second vote is acceleration, and it comes from the MACD histogram, built from a fast length of 12, a slow length of 26, and a signal length of 9. The histogram is the distance between the MACD line and its signal line. If the histogram is taller than on the previous bar, momentum is rising. If it's shorter, momentum is falling. Now the two votes are combined into a single color. When direction is up and acceleration is up, the bar is green, a bullish impulse. When direction is down and acceleration is down, the bar is red, a bearish impulse. And when the two disagree, the bar is blue, a neutral reading where the strategy simply waits. This is the key discipline. The strategy refuses to act unless both forces confirm each other. But the strategy doesn't act on the color itself, it acts on the color shift. A buy signal is generated on the first bar that turns green after being red or blue. A sell signal is generated on the first bar that turns red. That shift is the instant direction and momentum lock into alignment, which the strategy treats as the cleanest start of a fresh leg. Because it runs as a stop-and-reverse system, the book is always positioned with the prevailing impulse. A fresh green shift closes any open short and opens a long. A fresh red shift closes any open long and opens a short. One event both exits the old side and arms the new one. Every position is protected the moment it opens. The stop loss is placed at the ATR multiplier, a default of 2, times the average true range beyond the entry price. The take profit is set using the reward to risk parameter, a default of 2. So the target sits twice as far from entry as the stop. Because both distances scale with ATR, they automatically widen in volatile conditions and tighten in calm ones. Finally, a spread filter skips new entries whenever the spread is wider than the maximum you allow, helping keep fills realistic. Let's look at the actual MQL5 code the expert advisor runs, just as you'd see it in MetaEditor. At the top are the input parameters you can adjust. EmaPeriod, defaulting to 13, sets the trend moving average that supplies the direction vote. MacdFast, MacdSlow, and MacdSignal, 12, 26, and 9, build the histogram that supplies the acceleration vote. AtrPeriod and AtrStopMult control the average true range stop. RewardRisk sets the take profit as a multiple of that stop. MacdSpreadPoints is the spread filter, and Lots and Magic set the volume and the identifier for this expert advisor's trades. Below the inputs are the two conditions that define a color shift. The variable bull shift is true when the current impulse is green and the previous bar was not. That's the first bar to turn green. The variable bear shift is true when the current impulse is red and the previous bar was not. Look at the green block. When bull shift is true, the code first calls close side to close any open short. Then, if there's no long already and the spread is acceptable, it reads the ask price, sets the stop loss 2 ATRs below entry, sets the take profit at the reward to risk multiple above, and calls trade.buy to open the long. The red block is the mirror image. When bear shift is true, it closes any open long, then reads the bid price, places the stop loss 2 ATRs above entry and the take profit the reward to risk distance below, and calls trade.sell to open the short. Same logic, opposite direction. Let's bring the strategy to life on a chart. On the price candles, you can see the trend moving average drawn as a line that glides along with price. And in the panel below sits the MACD histogram, our momentum reading. Remember, this strategy needs two independent forces to agree before it commits: the direction of the moving average and the acceleration of the momentum histogram. Watch how they line up. On the opening candles, price is drifting lower. The moving average is sloping downward, and in the panel the momentum histogram is sinking deeper below its zero line. Both forces point down, so the strategy reads these bars as bearish, in Elder's language, red. There's no reason to buy into a falling market, so the strategy simply stands aside and waits. Around the third and fourth candles, something changes. Price stops making new lows and prints a small base. The momentum histogram, which had been falling, curls upward first. Momentum often turns before price does. On the next candle, the moving average itself stops falling and ticks higher. Now both forces point the same way. The trend line is rising and the histogram is rising. That is the moment a bar first turns green, and the strategy calls this a color shift. You can see the buy entry marker appear right there. The strategy closes any short it might be holding and opens a fresh long, positioning with the new upward impulse. The moment the long is opened, protective levels are placed automatically. The stop loss sits 2 times the current ATR below the entry, and the take profit is set at a reward to risk multiple of 2, meaning the target sits twice as far from entry as the stop. Now watch price work. Candle after candle, buyers stay in control. Higher highs, higher closes, the moving average leaning up, and the histogram building taller and taller above zero. Both forces stay aligned, so the strategy holds the trade and lets it breathe. A few candles later, price reaches the take profit target, and the long is closed for the illustrated gain. Notice the strategy didn't try to predict the top. It defined the exit in advance and let the market come to it. Now the second half of the story. Near the highs, momentum peaks and begins to roll over. The histogram starts shrinking, its slope turning down. On the next candle, the moving average finally tips lower as well. Once again, the two forces agree, but this time they both point down. The bar turns red, another color shift, and the sell entry marker appears. Because this is a stop and reverse engine, the same event that ends the bullish phase arms the bearish one. If any long were still open, it would be closed, and a new short is opened in its place. The short is managed with a mirror image of the same rules. The stop loss now sits 2 times ATR above the entry, and the take profit sits twice that distance below, keeping the same reward to risk shape of 2 to 1. From here, price rolls over into a clean decline. Each new candle carves a fresh low, the moving average slopes down, and the histogram sinks back beneath zero, the two forces staying in agreement the whole way down. Finally, price slides into the take profit target, and the short is closed for the illustrated move. Step back and notice the rhythm. The strategy only acted at the two color shifts, the precise moments when direction and acceleration locked together. Everything in between was simply patience, holding while both forces agreed, and standing aside whenever they disagreed, and a bar turned neutral blue. That discipline, waiting for two forces to confirm rather than one, is the whole idea behind the dual filter approach. And that brings us to the end of our breakdown of the Impulse System Color Shift Expert Advisor. We looked at how it blends a trend moving average with the MACD histogram, how it assigns each bar a color, and how it acts only on the color shift when direction and momentum finally agree. We walked through its stop and reverse logic, its ATR-based stops and reward-to-risk targets, and the exact code that makes it all work. Remember, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, not a recommendation, and not a promise of any result. Trading carries a real risk of loss, so always do your own research and test any idea carefully before risking real capital. If you found this useful, please like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more MT5 strategy analyses. You can find more at www.algobot.live. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Trade responsibly.